Hello and welcome back to Maahi's Language Nest. This video is all about replacing very with more convincing words. See, using very can be vague because it is placed often in front of a common word. For example, very interesting, very necessary, very important. Okay, so try to use more descriptive English words instead of very to sound more smarter and more convincing in English. So let's get started. Don't say very accurate, say exact. Very afraid, fearful. Very angry, furious. Very annoying, exasperating. Very bad, awful. Very beautiful, gorgeous. Very big, massive. Very boring, dull. Very bright, luminous. Very busy, swamped. Very careful, cautious. Very cheap, stingy. Very clear, obvious. Very cold, freezing. Very colorful, vibrant. Very competitive, cutthroat. Very complete, comprehensive. Very confused, perplexed. Very creative, innovative. Very crowded, bustling. Very dangerous, perilous. Very dear, cherished. Very deep, profound. Very depressed, despondent. Very detailed, meticulous. Very dirty, filthy. Very dry, arid. Very dull, tedious. Very easy, effortless. Very empty, desolate. Very excited, thrilled. Very exciting, exhilarating. Very expansive, costly. Don't say very fast, say swift. Don't repeat yourself by using very too much. Try to use very descriptive English words instead of using very to become more smarter and more convincing in English. Alright, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.